Hello guys, and welcome back. Matt Cottle, a hillbilly in the Philippines, looking over our lake of corn. Been harvesting corn the last couple days, and had a pretty good harvest. It's a pretty good size here. Nice and full, big kernels on them. Cut all that right there, and some bananas here we harvested. And we got this out here already shelled, laying on the tarp, letting it dry out, finish drying out, so we can get it fed to the piggies. Just figured I'd give you guys a little bit of an update today. A little bit going on besides corn harvesting and making moonshine and rum, and staying pretty busy here on the farm. Sold some rum over the weekend at a little outing get together. But got this right here running today. This is a Muscovado sugar, which is a sugar cane wash. They make the local sugar cane up here. I did a video on it a while back. Excellent sugar cane, and it has a wonderful taste to it. Got another run in the mash barrel worked off. Probably run it tomorrow. But I just figured I'd give you guys an update on things that are going on around here on the Hillbilly Homestead. But thank you guys. Hope all y'all are safe, having a good day, a blessed day. And if nobody told you they loved you, I love you. Peace out. We'll catch you on the next video.